is Shameika, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss no other uploads, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified by YouTube when I post. So today's video is about me styling my hair, and if you want to see how I style my hair, just keep watching. Alright y'all, this is what my hair is looking like, and I am 1 year in. This is what my hair looks like. I am all natural. This is virgin natural. I have no color, no heat damage, no nothing in my hair. Like, this is all straight out of my hair. I'm 1 year in hair journey. I'm 1 year in now, and my hair is looking really good. It's still nice and wet and moisturized. I have a leave-in conditioner in right now, and that's it. I washed my hair. Right now I have moisturizer leave-in conditioner in my hair, but it's Unjackie's Quenched Moisturizer Intense Leave-In Conditioner. It's an ultra hydrating deep moisturizer therapy for parched hair. It has shea butter and olive oil in it, and I have fine hair, if I haven't mentioned on my other videos, and this texture is like really loose. I don't know if y'all can see that. And this is what the bottle looks like. I did shampoo, conditioner, and deep condition, and I shampooed with this Dove. This is the shampoo. And then I also followed that up with the what you call this? The conditioner. After that, I deep condition and set up under the dryer for 20 minutes with the Mayala deep conditioner. And today, for my styling products, I'm going in with the Texture ID styling cream. And with that, I wanted to try the Pattern Stronghold Gel for slick and snatch. Now, say you use this, I guess, for like ponytails or whatever, but I wanted to try it on a wash and go because that's mostly what I wear, is a wash and go. And it says style into a sleek style. Great for styling between washes. It says it's a flexible yet strong gel that provides long-lasting hold without breaking hair or edges. This is what that looks like. But I'm going to part my hair into 4 sections. Normally I use the Texture ID styling cream with Canon strength and styling gel. This is the one with the Jamaican black castor oil in it, and it gives me like a real nice hold, but it's not like a real sturdy hold, but it gives me a hold. Like, this gives me more of a softer hold, but not really a soft, like it's like a medium hold. Another one that I styled this with is the Texture ID and the Wet Lime Extreme. Now, the Wet Lime Extreme give me like extreme hold, okay? I can wear that wash and go for maybe 7 whole days straight, okay? And then with this one, I might get a good 4 days out of it, you feel me? So that's what I mean by it's like a medium hold. But I'm gonna try this Pattern gel today, and I'm gonna see what it's working with first. First, y'all, let me get some gel on my hand first, because you need to see if it's gonna mix. So I'm gonna put some gel on my hand, and then I have some of this on the top, and I'm just gonna take some of that and mix it with the gel like that. Always test this theory, y'all, because if you don't, this shit will kick up in your hair, and then you're gonna have flakes. And it's starting to ball up just a little bit. I mean, know, y'all. Like, you can't really see it on my hand. Like, it mixed in really good. But then I got, like, a couple of balls as well. But it look like it's gonna work. I will start from the back of my hair. And so that's where we're gonna start. And I got my little spray bottle just to, you know, my hair is pretty damp. I'm gonna put this part in another section. And I'm gonna work like that. And then I'm gonna go in about that much with my styling cream. And you wanna work this in really, really good. Because if not, your shit will look cray-cray. And you wanna work it in really, really good. And then I'm gonna just take just a tad bit more and put it on this section. Just to make sure I got everything. I'm gonna take about that much gel. And then I'm gonna work it into it. Like, just let it pop it up there. And I'm gonna take just a tad bit more and work it into my hair. Y'all, it's really good to work your products in, like, really work them in. And then I do my little shingling method. The gel feels really nice on my hair though. Like, it feels real smooth. I'm a shingling type of girl, so that's pretty much all I do is shingle my hair. And it's easier when you break them down into this section. Now, I don't shingle my hair real small because that should have taken me forever. But, I could say it's not going to really give me that much hold for my roots. So my roots are going to be kind of puffy, but I don't necessarily mind my roots being puffy. Like, I feel like that helps. It says it's a stronghold gel, but from what I could feel, it's not gonna give me that hold that I want. Not at all, if y'all can see that. Like, my hair feels really nice and fluffy and loose, but I don't think this gel is going to work. Like, it melted in my hair really nice, but my hair is definitely gonna dry quick with this. I still have a little bit of frizz. I don't know if you guys can see that. So, I don't know about finish styling the rest of my hair until I get to a little piece in the front, then I cut it. Alright, y'all, as soon as I cut the camera off, go back to style. I go in with, what you call this? I go in with my styler, which is the Texture ID. And I'm brushing, and it's like literally flaking all over my life. Like, I cannot kid you not. So I didn't even get a chance to put any type of gel on this part. And this part I'm literally about to go wash out because I can't do the flaking shit. Like, I'm really pissed off. So yeah, I'm about to go wash my hair, this back piece out, and I'm gonna come back and just use my regular wet lime and styling cream and call it a day. I hate to say it, but I don't think I'm fucking with this for real. Like, I'm gonna just have to, like, no. I don't think I can do it, y'all. I think I might just use this on the second product. But the way it melted down in my hair, I wasn't gonna have no hold anyways. I was gonna have to do my hair all over. But what I do not play with, and I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's starting to flake. Literally, it's flaking. And I'm not about the flake life, okay? Like, I can't do it. And I'm really pissed off because I just literally wasted all my time doing all of this. Not to mention, I washed, deep conditioned my hair, and here we are. So I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I am back. So I washed my hair again and conditioning and all that good stuff, and I put some more leave-in conditioner in on this side. So with this side just sitting, I'm gonna let the deep conditioner sit over, the leave-in conditioner sit a little longer just for it to penetrate my hair a little bit better. And I'm gonna go ahead and start on this side of my head. And I'm gonna just start with the top piece so I can go ahead and show you guys my little combo. And it's nothing but the Wet Lime Extreme Gel. And I'm gonna use the styler, the Texture ID styler. This is what my curls are looking like. And that's Texture ID and Eco Style Gel with some leave-in conditioner from Jackie. Boom. 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 Alright, y'all. I'm going to finish the rest of my hair off camera and I'll be back. Okay, you guys. I'm all done. Let me get you a little closer. All done. This is side view. Another side view. That's the back. So you can see my hair. Sit up under the dryer for maybe like probably take my hair about 45 minutes to dry. But I have errands to run, so I'm going to literally air dry while I'm outside. And I'll be back in a little bit later once my hair is basically completely dry, or at least 95% dry. So I'll be back with the final result. I'm back to show y'all not my final results. I just wanted to show y'all my hair after it's dry. It's probably like a little bit wet up in here, so I would say it's probably about 90%, 95% dry. My ends and all of that is dry, in the back, whatever. Just my root right up in here. It's still a little damp, not even wet, it's just a little damp. And I just got out of the shower, just finished my skincare and all that good stuff. and I'm about to go to bed actually, and I will go ahead and pick my hair out, but since I'm about to go to bed, I'm gonna just wait until the morning. So I will be back in the morning to show you guys how I pick my hair out and all that stuff. But since it's nighttime, I'm about to go to bed, I just wanted to show you guys my hair. And this is my hair dry. This is the other side. Let me show y'all guys the back. This is the back of my hair. So at nighttime before I go to bed, I just like to use this bonnet thingy that I got. I got this from my job. Yeah, I just like to use this. It has a silk lining in the inside of it. Kind of reminds me of when everybody was using the little cap thing. I can't remember that brand, but this kind of like a dupe for it or whatever, or style like it. And I just literally, and it's time for me to get a new one because I got a hole in it. But I kind of just put it on my head, and this stays on all night or whatever. Most of the time I have it over my ears, but if I'm wearing it around the house and I'm not going to bed, I take it out from my ears. But it's a nice little hold on it, but not too tight, but it got like a little grip band to keep it on your head at night.